What's up, YouTube? With Halloween Horror Nights on the rise, I wanted to dwell into one of my favorite characters from this event. Let me present to you the Ringmaster. I did some researching, found out he's got a pretty cool creepypasta. Get to the sculpt and get to some storytelling. The Ringmaster. He enjoys the cries and pleas of his acts. He enjoys the thrill of seeking the pure and innocent fear in the eyes of whom he chases. He has an evil white mask-like face with black paint galore. With his penguin red coat, pressed pants, and shiny pointy shoes. And to complete his outfit, a top hat to decorate his head, to add a bit of class and flair. But what really strikes fear into the souls and eyes is the crack of his whip, the leather whip. The whip itself is made of dried human skin. Each time he cracks it, agonizing human screams fill the room. Such pain and sorrow sounds, souls trapped for all eternity in the whip. The handle is where the Ringmaster keeps these unfortunate souls trapped, but those unlucky to wake up before he traps their souls into there. The Ringmaster also has such a torturous way of catching his potential acts for the night. It starts off as a simple, disturbing dream. One that you can shrug off in the morning. You'll be in an audience of a circle. It's just you, and the Ringmaster will introduce himself in a silky yet pompous voice that thunders throughout the tent. He'll crack his sinister whip, and you'll hear them, those painful, agonizing screams that are trapped. It seems like it's going to go on forever, even though it's only been just a couple of seconds. You'll startle, and you'll awake to only find you have plenty of time left to sleep it off. But no. It goes on for a few more nights. Each night the Ringmaster will crack the whip multiple times until you, yourself, will start screaming at the tops of your lungs. You'll be afraid to sleep. You'll be afraid to hear those screams that seems to entrap your own soul. And soon, the Ringmaster will come for you. He is training you. And just as you think the screams have stopped, it gets only worse. You'll start waking up in the middle of the ring itself, facing the decaying lions, roaring its stank breath before your nose. You'll be looking around in terror and spot the Ringmaster swapping his whip in hand. You'll hear the screams as they being controlled, and you'll put your hand to the side of the lion's dead mouth. And just as the mouth is about to snap, you'll hear more screams as you jolt awake, realizing it was just a dream, was it? Every night the Ringmaster has something new for you, to test you, whipping you, making sure you do the stunts correctly and effortlessly. You've made long walks on a tightrope. You made sure you don't fall into the flaming pit below. Feeding these hungry, decaying animals and their juicy, bloody meats. You'll never see anybody else around except for the Ringmaster smiling sinister in the middle of the ring, waiting for a reason to lash out. The Ringmaster has gotten so amused with you, but by this point, he craves a new talent. He keeps watching an eye on you. Whether you're awake or asleep, you'll hear these screams, feel the hot flames at the tightrope. You'll be confused for domestic pets, for the decaying circus animals. One night you'll go to sleep and the Ringmaster will be waiting in the middle of his ring with all those wonderful decaying and dying animals. Those hungry, decaying animals stare at you. Oh, they keep staring. But it's then the Ringmaster cracks his whip harder than before. The screams grow louder, and you drop to your knees. He circles around you as a thin smile forms upon his evil face. Again, these captured souls screams. They fill the air, the decaying animals just staring at your pain and waiting. The Ringmaster strides closer to you, looking down at your pain. With a swift move, whips you right back into place. But you can't move. You can't scream. You feel your very soul leaving your body, making it impossible for you to even kneel. Again, he lashes at your back. You feel your skin tear to bits, but no blood, nothing. Your scream is taken away by his extravagant whip, and your skin tightens. The ship cracks once more. And as you look down, seeing your muscles exposed, in the Ringmaster, he traps your soul. And you will join the others, and there you will stay with the Ringmaster forever.
And he's done! My take on the Ringmaster from Halloween Horror Nights. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. But if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And until next time, on to his glamour shots.